Good day, everyone. My name is Bartolome, and I'm here to present our research entitled Performance of Leukocyte Esterase Strip Test for Diagnosis of Endometritis Using Vaginal Discharge. Endometritis affects cow fertility, and it is diagnosed or termed as uterine inflammation. Current methods mostly rely on neutrophil increase assessment through cytology. Recently, leukocyte esterase strip test was initially applied in measuring or diagnosing endometritis. It is initially used for urine infection diagnosis. Thus, this study evaluates leukocyte esterase strip test efficacy on endometritis diagnosis with the essence or importance of using vaginal discharge as our sample. We test this objective, and to prove this objective, we use 83 dairy cows from 2 farms, which are routinely examined by the veterinarian and researcher, wherein we classified 3 health groups, namely healthy, subclinical, and clinical endometritis, based on the criteria we set on the discharge and cytology. The following criteria we use are vaginal discharge, wherein we scored 0 to 3, indicating greater than or equal to 2 score as a clinical endometritis. On the other hand, we use PMN cutoff based on the published articles recently studied. On leukocyte esterase strip test, we use the Comport test, and we used and applied the color changes based on the instruction of the manufacturer. The optimal cutoff was selected based on the combined sensitivity and specificity, including the performance of receiver-operator analysis used for leukocyte esterase strip diagnosis assessment. The result of our study was able to diagnose 20 cows with endometritis using endometrial cytology. The cutoff of greater than or equal to 2 plus 2 showed 76.25% accuracy with 68.42% sensitivity and 78.68% of specificity. On the other hand, when we test the area under the curve, including the receiver operating characteristic, it also showed the greater than or equal to 2 as a cutoff, with a performance of 0.745 AUC, indicating an acceptable performance in diagnosing cows with and without endometritis. As a conclusion, these leukocyte esterase strip test was successful to use as a diagnostic tool for endometritis using vaginal discharge with a cutoff of greater than or equal to 2.